Okay, hello there, I'm Dennis. And this video is just sort of a little announcement video. As many of you know, I've been living in BSD now for, I don't know, a couple months. And I've decided to keep it. What it is I've got 3 computers that are set up in my main workstation. And actually at this point, all 3 of them run Arch Linux. And one of them is a Dell Optiplex7010 right here. And what I'm recording on right now is a Optiplex790. So there is a little difference, but not a whole lot, but some. So I've decided, since I'm going to keep BSD around, to put BSD on this 7010 in the middle of my workstation. That way it'll be a lot more convenient for me to actually do investigations or research, what have you. It'll be right there in my workstation. I won't have to get up and change workstations just to get on FreeBSD. Also, in the same context, not only is BSD going to get moved over to my Optiplex 7010, but on this computer that I'm actually doing this recording on and have done all my research on BSD on, I've decided to go with DragonFlyBSD. I'm going to put DragonFly on this same computer right here and run it for a little while and see if I can find anything that's unique or something that needs to be shown so that to help people use it. Nothing against FreeBSD. It's really a compliment that I'm going to move it over to my workstation. And that's pretty much it. And my pop's still living here. We're getting settled in, and he's getting his routine, and, things are happening. I sure appreciate all the great comments I've gotten here recently. You guys are just awesome. Who would have known a simple old country boy can actually make a video occasionally? Okay, then. That's really all I needed to say was that I'm going to be moving FreeBSD over to a little better computer. Not a whole lot better, but a little better. And on this computer here, we're going to install DragonFlyBSD. And I'm going to see what it's going to take to get Dragonfly up into a position where you can actually work with it. Thanks very much for watching. You guys have a good day. Peace out. Bye.